We'll record this. All right, so ask your question.
Okay. If you saw the trend, like the gold last week, that is uptrend,
What time
1
frame?
hour.
Okay, daily
No,
1
like
hour.
on a daily
Yeah,
1 hour, going
yeah,
back to 15 minutes. Oh,
yeah,
going back to 5 minutes for entry.
yeah.
And when you want to enter on 5 minutes entry, you will be looking for a pullback, maybe where the gold sell, when you want to pick for the second one. That's going to take an entry.
Yes, yes. Technically, yes, and technically, no. Yes is that you're waiting for a pullback. Fine. At the same time, you're waiting to see this ring appears. Once you see the ring below
Yes.
it and you see the arrow,
Hey, I mean,
yes, yes.
the ring and the arrow.
Yes, there's some times, funny enough, there are some times on the 5 minutes, the 1 hour is just being bullish. You hardly see a pullback, so you can just enter it. Like for example, now, see it has just been uptrend on the 1 hour. No any setup here. Only when yes, definitely is when there's pullback. That's when you see a setup. That's just it, mostly when there's pullback. That's when you see a setup. Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
All right. So, any more question?
Like yesterday. Okay.
Do you understand the 15
Yesterday,
minutes concept? Like once the 1 hour is showing you negative trend, like you can now use 15 minutes to confirm that negative trend to as a continuation trend for scalping, then use 1 minute for entry.
I've not. No, I understand what you said about 15, but I've not have the deep understanding of it. So just
Okay.
still working with the normal.
Okay. That's not an issue. I can explain that now. I can explain that again.
Okay.
All right, for 15 minutes, I just want to see that the 1 hour is showing me, first of all, the 1 hour must show me negative trend of what the daily is. You understand what I mean? Negative trend. The daily is bullish.
Yeah.
1 hour is bullish, is a pro
Showing.
trend. But if 1 hour become bearish by showing me this arrow now, I know that we're now in a negative trend, which is up from here. Do you understand what I mean now? So now at this
Yes, I
point,
get it.
as long as the 1 hour has not changed to bullish for me to start taking 5 minutes, I will then switch to 15 minutes to scalp it.
Okay.
So now on 15 minutes, I also want to see that the 15 minutes arrow appears, this big arrow, which is the scalper arrow, is showing me bearish. So it's just like we are now using daily 1 hour as our daily, the 15 minutes as 1 hour, then 1 minute as entry. But it's like now
Okay.
is now
Counter.
in a counter way, but gives us more. Even though we're taking a counter trend, we're using 1 hour and 15 minutes for confirmation of the trend, then 1 minute for entry, and it still gives you a good way of entry, a good risk reward, and not even a good win rate. That's the word, a good win rate. Because if the 1 hour is showing you bearish, then you use the 15 minutes to confirm the 1 hour bearish. Then you can just enter on the 1 minute for a quick 1 to 3, 1 to 4, 1 to 5. Okay, just like what happened here. This is a quick 1 to 4, 1 to 5. So you can start to catch it. So you can see that. Boom. So that's that. Do you understand that now?
Yes, I get you.
All right. So any other questions? Like you guys can ask me question. Let's it not be like only one person is asking. Everyone can ask a question.
I have a question.
All right, go on.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm late to the session. I was on the Telegram, hoping you guys will connect there, not until when I saw the Zoom meeting.
Okay. I
Yeah,
posted this
hope
since that
I've
it's
not
going to
missed
be a
any.
Zoom. This is the second session of the Zoom. Like I've done the major explanation on the first session.
You do mean it. Hope it's recorded.
Yeah, it is. Let me be sure that I've not even seen where the recording and stored. Okay, I've seen the recording.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's recorded. I'm going to upload it on YouTube tonight. But I can go back again and
Okay.
explain it again. I will go back again and explain it for you. First thing first.
Okay, no
Okay, before I do that, any other question? Another question, guys. All right, so let me just explain it one more time again for Abby since he was late. So I said that I trade multiple pairs with this strategy. Look at them, all of these pairs. I was trading them. It was crazy monitoring daily on each of them, 1 hour on each of them, and 5 minutes. It was really crazy. I was literally feeling headache. Not that I was just saying, I'm just saying I'm feeling headache headache was better headache than knock my head. Like I said, who sent me message? You know, and funny enough, it was not that I was having a losing trade, or it was not that maybe the more peers you watch. So this strategy is so sweet that even more peers you make money, less peer you still make money. So the reason why I had to add this 15 minutes was that I know that sometimes the 1 hour is going to give me a counter trend, and I have to wait till the 1 hour change to the pro trend. So that way I added 15 minutes for my own self because I like trading. I like entering the market. Maybe until I'm in a portfolio of $3 million, tell me, hey, I can just focus on just the 1 hour pro trend. But right now I'm on a journey, so I don't have time to. But it's working for me. It has made me a lot of money, a good money. So that's not an issue. So like I said, you can trade all these pairs. If you are a robot, no wahala, you can do all of them, or you don't have to follow money, so you can continue all of this. But if you want to just trade like me, I said, okay, I'm going to trade only gold. The reason why I choose gold, and sometimes you guys see my NAS. NAS is for flipping. And the reason why I choose gold was because I wanted to move to Derive, to trade Derive, because of I can flip account easily there. And the chart is very sweet. So, but my indicators are only on MT4. So I'll be looking for an MT5 developer. I paid one this week. He has not delivered. So I'll look for another person again. So if you have anyone that is trusted, you can let me know, so that you can just help me to convert just this indicator and this big one and this one and this ring. That's just the three I need. The other ones are on MT5. Once I see that, guys, I'm going to trade Derive and I'm going to kill Derive. We're going to kill it together, not only me. And I'm also going to focus on only V75 because it's very liquid and very easy for us to flip. So I'm going to go back again to trade to explain the strategy.
I think guys now volatility in the trade.
What do you say? All right, so I'm going to go back again to explain the strategy one more time, because this is the second session of the Zoom. So let's go again. All right, so first thing first, you want to go, we are using 3 time frame, daily, 1 hour and 5 minutes for our AAA setup. So we are trading only with the trend. It's a trend following strategy. Trend following strategy. So once the daily trend, I hope you're not hearing any sound. Once you see the daily trend is bullish, how do you confirm a daily trend is bullish? You want to see a scalper indicator appears, which is this green indicator. So let me move this orange vertical line. You see this arrow appearing, it shows that we are bullish. You see this arrow appearing, shows that we are bearish, but price quickly changed to bullish. You see this one appearing, blah blah blah. But what does this big ring appears? This zigzag is just for you to see the trend. All right, it's not really that important, but it's all of these have a settings. Even if you download it, guys, you might not use, if you don't use my right settings, you would end up not getting my results. Okay, now this bigger arrow appears to show us there's a new indicator that someone was showing me. One of the guys that the person majorly that was showing me this indicator of the major, once this big ring appears, this what we call volume. That volume would detect if truly the price want to reverse, but that's another time. Let's just focus on today. Once you see this ring appears, there's possibility of price one or reverse. Okay, but let's just focus on what is happening now. Once you see this now, this is showing us a bullish trend throughout. So you can, if you have caught this bullish on, just remember I was taking a daily trade with just this scalper indicator. This is about 2,000 or 3,000 pips already in profit. So once I see that this happened on the 1st of March, so from the 1st of March on the daily is bullish on gold. Now, what do I do now? I will now go on 1 hour. So from the 1st of March on 1 hour, I'll be looking for only buys. So I'm going to, now what I will do now is I'm going to just use, I'm going to go back on the 1st of March now to show you. Look at this. The 1st of March appeared, a buy arrow appeared there. Then there was no sell arrow appearing until when? Until on the 12th. So I'm not going to take any trade from on the 12th for buy any longer, because the 1 hour has changed from bullish to bearish. It's now a counter trend. So this is when I will now go to my scalping strategy, going to the 15 minutes to confirm, 15 minutes to also show me an arrow like this, and then 1 minute for entry. That's for counter trend. But let's just focus on the main trend, which is the pro trend, using the daily and the 1 hour and the 5 minute for entry. So I will only be taking buy positions from the 1st of March, but 1st of March was a Friday, so we'll start taking from the 4th. So I'll go to 5 minutes now. This is one beautiful thing about MT4. You can go as far back as far back. So I'll be taking only buy trade from 4th of March to on the 12th of March. Only buy trade. So let's see the kind of money we're going to make. So 1st of March is, remember, these indicators does not repent. And this scalper indicator, that's the bigger arrow, only appears when the candle closes. Okay, so once this candle closes, this arrow appears. So that's when you start taking on the next candles. So we ended 12/16. All right, I'm going to take a trade from the 4th. Now from the 4th, what am I going to be doing? By this time, maybe assuming I was in Thailand on my vacation on holiday, I might take a trade, but I'm not in Thailand right now. I'm in Nigeria. So I'll be waking up in Nigerian time, which would be, I wake up by 5, pray and all of that. By 7, I'm on my chart. Yes, I need this money, guys. All right, so by 7, so let me zoom in here so you guys can see this. So by 7, I'm on my charts looking for buy setup, only buy setup, because why am I looking for buy setup? The daily has showed me that buy has appeared here. Let's assuming we're not even saying all of this. We only saw this from here. Okay, no need. We only saw this thing. We just saw that buy is showing us. The 1 hour has shown us buy the previous day, the 1st of March. So from the 4th on Monday, like Monday is always, everybody is everybody blow the horse for Monday. I want to make money. I don't know if you guys observe. It's on Monday. That's when many people now be sending you what they do, their business. From Thursday, they forget about their business. On Monday like this, they remember, I'm selling land, I'm selling this and this, So Monday like this, there's this energy to make money for a new week. So you want to make your week better. All right. So what you do that is that Monday, mostly for Monday Forex market is always very slow. But what we trade anytime. So for Monday, this is the time you're going to enter by 7 o'clock. Make sure you wake up much earlier before London session, so that you can catch the movement from London open. So how you're going to take this buy position? Why am I taking this buy? Because this ring has shown. So we have two type of ring: the ring pointing down and the ring pointing up. It doesn't give you an arrow. But once you see it at the top, it shows that it wants to start coming down. Once you see it at the bottom, it shows that it wants to start going up. And remember, we're only taking a buy, so we only want to see a ring at the bottom. But this ring moves, okay? It's not like it's permanent. It moves. So once this price start moving, the ring will become permanent there. Then you're not going to take any trade. You can see why I was saying that I like waiting for pullback. This box, this green box you see, and this red box is just the 1 hour candle. So you seeing the 1 hour candle inside the 5 minutes is just for reference for me to understand the movement of the 1 hour, even though I've known that the 1 hour is bullish. So I'll take a buy here. Guys, if this is volatility 75, I take a buy, use 30% of my margin. Let's say I'm risking $10. Guys, from year to year is already $200. I'm serious. That's the reason why I need to move to derive. And that's the reason why I'm trading good, because this move like this is crazy. So how many pips is this? So you can put your stop. If you're trading prop firm, if you're flipping account, use 30 to 40%. Remember to watch the video I made on the YouTube, which is the scalping and leveraging video. You use 30 to 40% or 50% or 60% of your margin. So that make sure you deposit the amount you want to lose. But if you're trading prop firm, your stop loss will be below the previous low of the candle. So your entry is here, your stop loss will be here if you're trading prop firm. All right. Or even if you just want to have a stop loss for a stop loss sake, you can put that there. All right. So your take profit is going to be a bigger ring. Okay. Once you see the bigger ring, that's when you're going to take your take profit. So your buy is here. Price went high. Price went high to this point, 60 pips. So I'm going to zoom out so I can see the trade properly. So 7 o'clock, I take my buy. See what happened, guys. Boom. Now, two ways. You stack in, then you take multiple. If you want to leverage multiple position, I don't know even if you have it up around it. That guy turns 500 to 1 million. This is how you can do it easily with this strategy. This strategy is very powerful. I can sell this strategy $500 and flip a lot of money and show it to people and say, yeah, I'm making money, and people will still pay me. But I'm showing it with you guys for free. I don't know if my network is lagging. Don't worry, I'm going to put this on YouTube. Someone is asking.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
All right, thank you, guys. So now look at this.
Okay.
Look at this movement. From this point, 7 o'clock, where's that 7 o'clock candle I took? Boom. You can take multiple position, leverage. So from year to year, crazy, 350 pips. If you use a 20 pip stop loss, if you're stacking, maybe 20 pip stop loss will be here, and to 300 pips. How many arrows is that? That's about 1 to 17 arrow. That's you've turned $100 to $1,700. You've turned $10 about $170. That's just one entry. If you then multiply, if you then take multiple positions here, then that means you've turned $100 about 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K. Easy, man. It's not easy, but that's just it's not easy. So when you take the trade, that's okay. I said something on the previous Zoom. I said, if the reason why I love taking this trade is that I'm not trading on 5 minutes, I'm trading on 1 hour and daily. And that makes me get a good move. If I'm trading on 5 minutes, I might just close here. But because I'm trading on 1 hour, I'm going to wait for 1 hour kind of move. And which are these? See, this box are 1 hour. This box are also 1 hour kind of moves gives you 200, 300 pips. So you should know that. But your entry is just 5 minutes. So understand that. The next day, I'm looking for only buys. What am I waiting? Let's see, what's somebody sending me? YouTube account, please. You see that on the group chat. 7 o'clock, I'm gonna look for a buy. Should I zoom in? Should I zoom in? Yes, let me zoom in. Because some people wear glasses. Zoom in, 7 o'clock. I'm gonna look for a buy. This is 5 a.m. I'm waking up. I've not checked my chart. 7. So at this time, I'm looking for a buy. Oh, I'm saying, oh my God, why didn't I wake up by 5? Why didn't I take this? Oh my God, I this trade on the go. Okay, now price on the comeback. Price is now reversing. Now the arrow is now showing that, okay, yes, I'm not going to look for it. Even this buy here, you're not going to take it, but because this arrow, this ring is showing us a bearish. So we want to see the bullish ring appears or going upward. So the bullish ring showed us here, and we have a good entry here. So from year to year, 13 pips. So 20 pips will be a stop loss for scalp for flipping. Then people that want to trade prop firm, this will be a stop loss in the previous 1 hour low. If you're taking a buy, boom, where will be your take profits? Like I said, we're trading 1 hour movement. So 1 hour movement, this is 250 pips. Crazy, guys. like I can't tell you where to close. Okay, you just decide where to close, where you're comfortable. But for me, when I see a good move, when I say, okay, this move has given me enough money, like 200 pips, 150 pips, 300 pips, that's when I close. Or what you can do is, once you're at 150 pips, once you're 150 pips, or let's say 100 pips, you can start trailing, move your stop loss to break even. Once this break, you put your stop loss here. Once this break, you put your stop loss here. Boom, price take you out, no issues. That's for you. But for me, I might close early here because I've seen that's 250. Or you go to the 1 hour and look for the high of the 1 hour, the previous high that you wanted to take, because this trend has been going up, so you might not see a previous high. So you're not going to take any trade. Like, I stopped trading by 6 or 4. Okay, I don't take any trade, but mostly I take trade in the morning and I manage the trade all through the day. That's all. Like, I don't trade it. So the only time I don't trade is when I lose 3 times in a row. All right. So the next day, remember, you're going to take only buy trade till on the 12th of March. So the next day again, I woke up in the morning, I brush my teeth, I make my prayer, bloom, 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 bloom. Okay, 7 o'clock has reached. I'm only looking for buy. You can see you're not looking for all this noise. You're looking for buy. Buy happen the next hour, 1 hour, 8 o'clock. Boom, this is it. Can you guys see that? Let me zoom in. See the buy here. This candle. Yes, there was a pullback, 5 pips pullback. Yes, 17 pips pullback. Yeah, this is about 24 pip pullback. So remember, this where would have been your stop loss. This would have been your stop loss if you're trading profit. No issues. You have a loss, no issues. But for me, that I'm taking I'm flipping accounts. So this might take me out. No issues. I don't have issues. Like the previous day, I gave me 1 to 18 hour. What would I be doing next? This will be your next entry. Okay, I'm not selling you a golden strategy. Okay, you will lose, but you win. You win and you lose, but you win more and you make money. That's just it. Okay. So the next, let's say you take a loss here, no issues, no issue. Even if you put your stop loss here, you will not take a loss. But if let's say you put your stop loss here, the previous lower of this thing, no issues. This took you out, no issues. Now you're gonna take a buy. You're gonna take a buy. The ring appears, fine. Boom, stop loss here. Boom. Sorry if I'm making noise on your ear, guys. I'm just so excited. All right, so this would have been a crazy move. These are the kind of move that gives people crazy amounts of money, man. A lot of money. This 200 pip yesterday, the previous day 200 pip, the previous day, the day before the day was giving you 350. I'm already saying rubbish because oh man. So 7th of March, you're gonna see the same stuff. 7 o'clock. Yeah, okay, this day you're gonna take a first trade, but stop loss was here. Boom, this would have taken you out, but it might have closed here because you've seen this bigger ring. So once you see the bigger ring and you have not seen, it has not taken you, yeah, you've not gotten 200 pips, you can close at the major arrow that appears. Okay, so wait for the next signal. The next signal appears. Even if you take a loss, no issue. You take your first loss somewhere around first entry. Stop loss will be here because the previous lower of this candle is this. Stop loss was here. This was taken out. You take another trade here. Second trade will be here. Boom. This is just a small move. I like closing. Maybe you can just close before the day close. Just 50 pips move. You recover the loss and maybe a small profit of this particular day. No bad, not bad, not bad. On the 9th, the same thing. So on the 9th, I wake up, brush my teeth, blah blah blah. I'm not in Thailand for Asia move. I'm in Nigeria. Wake up Nigerian time. See, James. So you can see, please, guys, those of us in Nigeria, we're in a very good strategic location to be able to take trades in a very good timing. All right. So yeah, people in the US, they wake up midnight, like maybe around 2 a.m. to take London session. You can imagine. So we're in a good location. So take advantage of it now. This will be your entry because this is the current entry. Would this be, or this might be your entry? 7 o'clock. This might be your entry. Someone, please mute your mic, guys. Meet your mic, Barry King. All right. So this will be your entry. Boom. Stop loss, the low here. If you're trading with profit, even though this price came here, it would have taken you out. If you start came, blah, 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 blah. 200 pips. You can close here if you're comfortable. 250 p. This is a news, but price kept going up to 350. This is another 1 to 20 for with 20 pips stop loss. So guys, I think I'm done. So on this day, which was on the 11th, price was just playing around. 11th was just playing around. It just gets multiple piercing. Start asking your questions now because I'm done with this. But I didn't explain this. I already explained the 15 minutes and the 1 minute. I only switched to 15 minutes and 1 minute when the 1 hour has given me a negative signal. So let's go. We will now start looking for sell. So this appeared on the 16 GMT. Can I go back in time to 12th of March? 12th of March. Okay, 12th of March was around here. So I will start taking trade. What just happened here? What just happened? Okay, auto move. So guys, ask your questions. Start asking your questions so that we can take advantage of everything I'm doing. Start asking a question. This will be the only Zoom. I'm not gonna repeat the Zoom after this, but I will also have more this thing. I hope this. Yeah. All right. So 12th of March. Before we do that, let me just take this. We're still taking bullish trade on the 11th of March on the 5 minutes, 7 p.m. Woke up here, took my stop loss here. Price took me out here. Trade number 1. And yeah, price here, stop loss will be below. Looking for a lower candle that is here, but the lower one was still here, so I might just use this low here. So stop loss here. Yeah, trade number 2. Then boom, this would have been your catch. 50 pips, not a bad one for a bad day. Recover all the 2 loss. So on this following day, which was 12th, which the arrow appeared on the 6 a.m., you're going to just go to 15 minutes. Why does it keep going back? I thought that was... So 12th, so please guys, ask your question. Ask your questions now. You can unmute and ask. You can type any of the 2 that is convenient for you. I want us to ask questions. So on the 12th of March, 6 a.m., there was a sell arrow. So already the 15 minute has showed me a sell too. So now I will now start using the 15 minutes to confirm the trend of that counter trend. Then use 1 minute for my entry. For 1 minute, I only target 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. I don't do more than that. So 12th of March, sell. Once you see a bullish candle, you don't take any trade. You wait for another bearish, yeah, like that for 15 minutes counter trend. All right, guys, ask your questions, please. Moses, ask your questions, guys. Ask your questions. Any questions? I'm just showing you the counter trade now. I want to go back to that 12th of March. It's gonna take a while. This 1 minute, so 1 minute can be very fun. I just hope this indicator can even. Oh my God! So what happened? There's a jump here. There's a jump here. So it showed on the 3rd. All right, no issues. But you guys understand what I'm trying to say, right? So any question? Any question? Any question? So you guys will start contributing. No, this strategy is expensive. I'm just joking. It's free of charge, man. Let's make money all together. The market's about 5 trillion. All right, we have 10 minutes to go. Any question? Anybody have any question? You want to ask a question? You can send a message right now. It's gonna be uploaded on YouTube tonight, most likely, and yeah. So like yesterday, remember we're staying on the bullish on the daily. Then 1 hour showed us a bear around 19 GMT. Then which about 7 o'clock. Then you go to 15 minutes to look for the same stuff. It happened also in 15 minutes since 19 GMT. Where's it? 15 minutes shouldn't be this. 15 minutes should be this. I wanted to see. I can't see my arrow. What's happening? Oh, okay, because I need to change the setting. This is 10 now. There was an arrow appearing here on the 15 minutes. I don't know how to see it. I had to okay, so it appeared around what time? Around 19. The same time on the 1 hour. That's when it appeared. So I'm just gonna be looking for sell position from the 19 GMT from after 19. That's from after 19 o'clock. That's 7 o'clock. So I'm just going to be looking for sales, and the sale appeared here. So like I said, I'm going to be taking just 1 or 2. Boom. Stop loss might be here, or you can put here. Here will be too large. Just put on the high of it, and yeah, boom. Remember, the ring has to be appearing to the sell, and the arrow also has to appear for sell on the 1 minute. Do the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, are we going to be looking for ring along or both the arrows? So we're only looking for the ring and the smaller arrows. Okay, we're not looking for the bigger arrow on 5 minutes. We're not looking for the bigger arrows. Is this strategy for PC only? Yes, for PC only, not for mobile. You have to, it has to be for PC. Does it work on, that's what I'm working on. I want it to work on Derive, because we're going to make Derive with this. But the only sad news is that if you guys have any developer, you can do this for the community. I'm giving you a strategy for free. I paid the developer already, but he's not delivering. He's not responding to my chat, and I've paid him already. So if you guys can do it for us, convert these indicators to MT5. Just this big one, which is the scalper. The small one is called the brain trend, and the ring is called the semaphore. The semaphore is already on MT5. That's not an issue. But these two is the major, the scalper and the brain. The brain is for the sniper entry, and the scalper is for the trend. All right. So if you have anyone that can convert it to MT5, please let me know. Let's let the person help us to do that, and let's get it done. If not, I'm going to find a way to do that. And I might not share it if nobody help. I'll just do that and make it myself. Already giving you guys for MT5. So if you also make money, you can also do that for yourself. All right. But if you want to help us, fine, let's do this. Help the community. Let's grow. Any other question? We have about 6 minutes more. Any other question? Thank you. All right, you're welcome. Any question? So if you want, like what I'm looking at, because I might not be on PC all the time, so I might look for, I don't know if there's a tab for a Windows tab that looks like a PC, but it's a tab. So we can install the indicators on the tab, so you can just carry it along to check the charts. All right, so that's that. But before you do that, make sure you don't make money. Not gonna invest money on that yet. Make sure you use your PC and make money first before you say you want to buy a tab. I want to, some people give excuses that is this one because we don't have, like, my internet is bad. If you make excuse, you remain in that place, so you never move at all. Yes, there are many excuses. We have a legit excuse, but if you keep making excuse, you're not gonna move at all. You just remain there. Yes, it's very difficult as in Nigeria, blah 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 blah. But you just have to sacrifice. You just have to do things to just work. Okay, so no excuse at all for failure. No excuse. The information is being given. The strategy is there. You can make 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. You can scalp. You can swing trade with a 5-minute trend following. You can pass profit with this, risking 0.5 and maximum lose in a day 3. You don't trade any longer. And you can also flip accounts by stacking, which is opening multiple position here. So on derive, like if this is derived, for example, this orange sell button here, let me save this MR4, we remove this orange sell button here. You can see once I take multiple stacking position here without any pullback on V75, this move from year to year, maybe I'm risking $10. I'm already making maybe close to $1,000 or 500, you know. So we're gonna do a lot of stuff. So any more questions? So I can prepare to upload this video on YouTube so you guys can rewatch. All right. So if you want to, if you're trading, what's it called? Smart money concept, no issues. If it's working for you, fine. It's not necessary you follow this strategy. If you're trading, what's it called? Support and resistance, fine. If it's working for you. If you're trading engulfing, there are different strategies out there, but this is the one I'm trading, and this is why I've been sharing the signals with you. You can see that you can lose also, and you can see that you can win, and you can win big because you're trading on the higher time frame. Any strategy you use, hear the secret. Any strategy you use, make sure it has to follow the higher time frame. Time frame strength is important. Maybe daily and 4 hours and 1 hour for your trend confirmation. Then the lower time frame, 15 minutes, 5 minutes for entry, or 1 minute. But the trend must be aligned. Maybe the weekly, even the monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hours and 1 hour must be in alignment. All right. Do you have any question? Do you have any question, guys? Any question? Even the weekly, you can see even the weekly is still bullish. So when the weekly has been bullish for gold since on October 22nd. Okay, that's close to the time my baby was born. Well, that's like, sorry, my baby was born on the 21st. So the following day, gold became bullish. So even if you check monthly, see it has been bullish. So you can see monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish, 1 hour, 4 hour bullish. See it, 1 hour bullish, but this one is just a temporary pullback, which you can use. That's why you use 15 minutes and 1 minute to just catch a short scalp. Then the 1 minute, the 5 minutes is to catch the trend. That's why if you trade the 5 minute, like the one I caught on Friday, I caught this trade on Friday. I didn't post it, but I caught it here. I caught the trade here. Boom. And I closed. So what I did was I closed partial around maybe 200 pips. Then I move the remaining part I move it to this point, I think to this area. Then yes, price took me out. No issues. So you can trade your stop loss. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Spend time with your family, and make sure you subscribe on the channel if you're not there, and invite anyone. Turn on your notification if you're not doing that, and you can make a comment when you see the video on YouTube and like the video. Thank you so much, guys, and have a glorious time.